Dependent personality disorder. People with dependent personality disorder have an overwhelming need to have others take care of them. Others may describe them as needy or clingy. People with dependent personality disorder, DPD, may believe they can't take care of themselves. They may have trouble making everyday decisions, such as what to wear. They have a dependent and self-critical attitude. With help, they can learn self-confidence and self-reliance. If you have found value in this content, please consider liking this video and subscribe. Leave a comment below about other topics you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.